If you want to access ChatGPT for free without paying for ChatGPT Plus, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you want help with writing, coding, studying, research, or just getting quick answers, the free version of ChatGPT is a great place to start. And the best part is, you do not need to enter any payment details to begin. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to ChatGPT. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button and choose the free option. This is important because you do not need ChatGPT Plus to create an account and start using the tool. Just follow the prompts to register with your email, Google account, or another supported sign-in method. The setup process is quick, and there is no payment required for the free plan. Once you are signed in, you can start using ChatGPT immediately. There is no long setup and no extra steps needed. Just click into the chat box and start typing your question or prompt. You can ask it to help you write an email, explain a topic, generate ideas, summarize information, or even assist with simple coding tasks. If you are a student, it can help with studying and research. If you are a creator or professional, it can help draft content, brainstorm ideas, and speed up your workflow. Now, let's talk about the free features you can actually use. Even without ChatGPT Plus, you still get access to AI chat and answers, which is the main feature most people need. Depending on availability and usage, free users may also get limited file uploads, limited image generation, and some basic advanced tools. That means you can still do a lot, but you should keep in mind that the free plan comes with usage limits. If you hit those limits, you may need to wait before continuing or continue using the basic free chat features. Here is a smart tip that can improve your results right away. If you want ChatGPT to give better answers, try asking it to think step by step. For example, you can type "think step by step" and then add your full question. This simple prompt can help the model break down the problem more clearly and give you a more useful response. It is especially helpful for reasoning tasks, planning, studying, and solving more complex questions. So to recap, if you want to access ChatGPT for free without ChatGPT Plus, you just need to go to ChatGPT, sign up using the free plan, log in, and start chatting right away. You can use it for writing, coding, studying, and research, and you can improve your answers by using smart prompts like "think step by step." If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.